Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing a new 48 watt charger with USB-C power delivery and quick charge 3 from ZeaLife. Inside the box, on top we have a customer satisfaction leaflet, and then underneath that we have the charger itself. This is a really clean, minimalist design in gloss white with grey accents. The prongs for connecting to the wall outlet fold up when not in use, making it more compact and easier to travel with. On the back are the two charging ports, USB Type-C and USB Type-A, along with an LED power indicator at the top. There's also some technical information about the chargers printed on the bottom. Also in the box you'll find a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which is a very generous 2 meters in length, or about 6.5 feet. This is really nice to have included since most phones only ship with a short 3-foot cable, which often makes it very awkward to use the phone while it's charging. This charger has a combined power output of up to 48 watts, with both ports in use simultaneously. The USB Type-A port gives you 18 watts fast charging using the Quick Charge 3 protocol, while the USB Type-C port provides USB-C power delivery of up to 30 watts for a combined total of 48 watts. The blue LED on top of the charger lights up when it's plugged in to let you know that it's powered. Having two fast charging ports available gives you the flexibility to be able to charge two devices at the same time without any reduction in charging speed. In just 30 minutes, I was able to charge the Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite with its 4030 mAh battery from 0 to 53%. After an hour, the phone was at 84% and it was fully charged after 1 hour and 36 minutes. The Xiaomi Mi 8 2 with its 3000 mAh battery was at 62% after 30 minutes, at 92% after an hour, and fully charged after an hour and 12 minutes. You may notice that the charging speed slows down the fuller the battery gets. This is just the nature of fast charging. The device draws less power as the battery approaches full capacity in order to limit the risk of overcharging or damaging the battery. With a maximum of 30 watts USB power delivery, this charger can also be used for charging the 12-inch MacBook. It will charge other Macs with USB-C as well, but at a slower rate, and they need to be switched off while charging. However, ZeaLife do sell an 87 watt power delivery charger, which would be ideal for charging the 13-inch, 15-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros. I'll leave a link down in the video description. I've had this charger for a little over a week now, and it's quickly become my everyday go-to charger. As well as using it for my phones, I also use it to charge my Xeon Crane M2 gimbal via its USB-C port, my camera and also my vaporizer. I really like the simple, clean design, the long USB cable that's included, and the folding design, which means it's easy to slip into a backpack when traveling. If you're looking for a good quality, versatile fast charger with quick charge 3 and power delivery for charging multiple devices simultaneously, the ZeaLife 48 watt fast charger is definitely worth serious consideration. There'll be a link to this charger down in the video description. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.